In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Google Sheets using two easy methods. Whether you're preparing a project or just tidying up your data, indenting can add neatness and clarity to your spreadsheet. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to open your Google Sheets document. Once you've got your spreadsheet open, identify the cells that you need to indent. Highlight the necessary cells by clicking and dragging over them. You can think of this as selecting the area where you want to apply the formatting change. Next, head over to the Format tab in the menu at the top of the screen. This is where we can find all the tools for customizing the appearance of our text. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Number Format. This option allows you to create a format that perfectly suits your needs by customizing the appearance of the numbers and text in your selected cells. In the search field of the Custom Number Format dialog box, you'll need to enter 3 spaces followed by the @ symbol. @ These spaces act as the indent, and the * symbol represents the text within the cells. So effectively, this tells Google Sheets to add a small amount of space before displaying any text. After typing in your custom format, click on Apply. And there you have it. Your chosen cells should now reflect the indented format, adding a professional touch to your data. Now, let's move on to the second way to indent text in your Google Sheets. For this method, you'll start by highlighting the next set of cells that you'd like to format. Once again, make sure they are properly selected. Then use the copy function to grab the contents of these highlighted cells. You can do this by either right-clicking and selecting Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut. Next, navigate to the column where you'd like to paste your indented text. Click into the cell where you'd like the text to appear. This next step involves pasting the highlighted content into this new location. By doing this, you're essentially shifting the text over to a new area on your sheet, where we can then apply further formatting. Following that, delete the text from its original location, leaving only the header there for reference. This can be particularly useful for organizing your spreadsheet when you're dealing with tables or lists. Finally, we're going to remove grid lines to make the indented text stand out more. Click on View at the top of the screen, then select Show and uncheck grid lines. This step will give your sheet a much cleaner look, with the indented text clearly visible. And that's it. With these two simple methods, you can easily add indents to your text in Google Sheets, making your data presentation much more polished and visually appealing. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.